Same deal as last time. Put on a lot this time, specifically because of the areas that are folded up and not as treated as they could be. But I'm going to do the same deal where I kind of smear around the excess. These areas here, you know, they're complex and they got odd shapes and everything. I just want to neutralize as much of this rust as possible. Again, not a show truck, not meant to be a show truck. Honestly, we talked about leaving it as patina. But we decided we didn't want to drive something over the total jalopy shit box. So, that, and I already started doing this. I mean, I've got extra hood sets, no question, but I don't know that I really want to mix and match hood sets now, since this fits so well. So, I think I've pretty much gotten this entire thing with some Osco on it. Seems like the thinner the layers, the better. Oh, I did miss that entire surface there. Come here, Osco. Good dog. That's stinky. Just a nice saturation layer of this acid. That's it. I'm going to let that sunburst sit and do its thing. Gassy out.